Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do a clean installation of GeForce RTX 3060 Ti graphic card. So to do so, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to NVIDIA website. Select your graphic card from the list. So go ahead and select GeForce RTX 30 series, then GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, and then by default Windows 10 64-bit would be selected. Then click on search, click on download, click on download once again, and once the file is downloaded, you run this exe file. Click on it and then click on yes to allow and run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Agree to the terms, so click on agree and continue, and then select the option which says custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Put a check over here and then click on next, and it will start installing the driver. Now once installed, restart your computer and your graphic card will be up to date. So this is how you can do a clean installation of GeForce RTX 3060 Ti graphic card on your computer. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.